what is up with this thing? As you can see, it's a vacuum cleaner, a little handheld vacuum cleaner. What are those? Oh, okay. Not sure I've got a big enough screwdriver here to support. Let's try this one. Oh, that's doing it. Yeah, it doesn't. It stopped working apparently. Belonged to my mum. It stopped working, and then the power supply disappeared. So I don't know what's going on with it. Let's open it up and find out. Oh, they're in tight there. It's not the best screwdriver, but hey. Right then, there's one more screw up there. Let's see what we can see. Well, I think that's it. Get rid of the ultra secure seal there. Whoops, that's it, that's torn it. Right, oh, there's a big battery. Okay, wow, okay, well, that's about as simple as it gets, which is no bad thing. Wow, okay, so there's nothing there. There's no... maybe there's a circuit board there to help with the charging. I don't know. I suspect maybe not. So that is a 2000 milliamp hour 7.4 volt battery. Interesting. Let's test it and see whether there's anything left in that thing. Wow, that is the epitome of simple. Oh God, I don't know whether I'm impressed or disappointed. It's just there's bugger all. Okay, so this connector here looks like it's straight across the battery. Interesting. Well, you've got to be careful with that because you could short it out. Well, I suspect the ground is just... So I'll just go across there. Nope. Oh dear, that's completely flat. As in, completely flat. Right, 7.4 volt. So if I do that across the motor, I mean there's literally nothing at all. Wow. Nothing at all. It was probably left on, probably left switched on forever. Okay, right. So that comes out there, that comes out there. So, okay, I can probably do it like this actually. This is across the battery there. So there is literally nothing, which I'm not surprised about. Oh, well, we got a little bit of nothing. Oh my goodness me. Right. 0.7 milliamps. Right, don't think that's going to be enough to run the motor. Weirdly, if I do, that's very twitchy. If I do that, it goes down even again because it's across the motor. Flipping heck. Right. I wonder if I've got a battery that I could replace it with. I did have one, but I'm not sure where it went. I'll have to have a think about that. For now, I need to see about charging. So 1 second. So we got a couple of cells. The whole thing is 7.4, so that's 3.7 0.7 volts per cell. So you'll be charging at 4.2 volts per cell, which is 8.4 total charging across those two cells, because they'll be in series. So if we set the power supply to 8.4 volts, and then we set we limit the current to, let's say, 100 milliamp hour for a bit, then we can test it and see what happens over time. So let's set the power supply to 8.4. Let's do that and see what current is being drawn. That's that one. 600 milliamps. Okay. Whoa! Made me jump. Okay, didn't mean to do that. Right, let's do that and leave it there. So we're currently on 600 milliamps. I want to reduce the current down to 200 and let's say 200 milliamps. Wow. Constant current there, that drops it down. Right, so it's been charging for a while now and it's down to 200 milliamps. The voltage has gone up to 8.4, so well, it's a constant voltage, but yeah, 200 milliamps. So I think it's now charged, so let's give it a go. Well, that seems to work. That's cool. Okay, well, it's naff, but that might work. Interesting. All right. So it's I need to make myself a 8.4 volt power adapter to charge that, and hope that it's just a dumb one is going to be good enough. But yeah, I'm going to reassemble it, and I think that's going to be good. I mean, you know, talk about minimal circuitry. There's bugger all in here. That's crazy. But there you go. Not as much to go wrong, I suppose. I'm not sure about the battery health. There is like a block there. I wonder whether that's some kind of circuit or something. I just don't know. It's probably not. Probably just dumb as dishwater. But if it works, it works. And it was going to go in the bin. So that's all good. So I've taken the filter out of it, and I'm just going to clean it with water, and it's come up all right. Just the water and a brush, and it's all right. So obviously I've got to let it dry out. I'm going to do the same with this thing and with the brush, yeah, clean it thoroughly, let it dry out, and then clean the car.